So, you've bought a hair strip wax kit and now you want to begin your hair waxing journey. Let's get silky smooth. Begin with your pre-wax wipe. Wipe down both legs. Make sure your legs feel dry to touch before you begin waxing. Peel apart wax strips slowly. Place both thumbs flat, side by side, and with the top of your thumb on the bigger part of the S-shaped tab. Once separated, place wax strip onto leg in the same direction as your hair growth. Rub the wax strip into the leg to embed the hairs with good pressure. Hold the area above where you'll be pulling the wax strip off taut. Remove your wax strip in a quick movement in the opposite direction of your hair growth. You can reuse the one wax strip over and over until it loses its stick and isn't picking up any more hair. These are our mini wax strips. You get 20 of these in a pack. These are only for use on the legs. You use these to wax around the knees, the ankles and the toes. They can also be used to go back over any stray hairs that you might have missed. Apply the same method as the large strips to the mini strips. To do the back of your legs with ease, turn your leg slightly to the side and bend it. Place wax strip diagonally across the back of your leg. This way it will grab the hairs that you won't be able to see. To remove any leftover wax on your leg, use the strip to gently remove it with ease. Now that your legs are hair free, grab an after wax wipe and rub it all over both legs. This will leave your legs moisturised and silky smooth. Please see the instructions on the inside of your box for all of your aftercare requirements. Well done on completing your first Heire Leg Wax. If you have any questions, please let us know.